again?
Cleaning your toilet can be a messy situation, but the good news is JC's come up with a process so that your toilet's gonna be spick and span soon. Follow these steps.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do when you're cleaning your toilet is you're going to wanna flush first. Next, you're gonna take everything off the top of the toilet. Now, we are gonna wanna work top to bottom. So you're gonna focus on this section, the section, and then the base. I love using Branch Basics. It's a concentrate, does the job, gets all the dirt and grime, dust, nastiness off of all the surfaces. So first I'm gonna focus on the top. I stay away from paper towels. I love using reusable cotton cloths, and then you can just clean these off and throw them in the wash, and then you have reusable cloths. The dirtiest part of the entire toilet is obviously gonna be your flusher, so you're really gonna wanna make sure that you get that nice and cleaned off. With your dirty rag, you can just place it right into the shower, and then at the end, when you're done cleaning your toilet, you can just rinse it off and again, throw it in the wash. This next part might be one of the most important part that people miss. It's gonna be here. We do have a tushy. You're gonna wanna lift those edges up to make sure that you can clean beneath the toilet seat covers. Next, you're gonna wanna do the top of the toilet seat. I like going in circles because it gets all of the dirt and dust and yuckiness all together in the middle. Make sure that you get the dirt and debris. You're not just pushing dirt and dust all around. Open the toilet seat, do the underside of the toilet seat. You're gonna really wanna focus at the hinges of the toilet seat too. A lot of grime, mineral buildup can get really stuck under there. And again, work your way top to bottom as you are cleaning. I'll be using Branch Basics to do the toilet seat. I find that this is really important because when you use harsh chemicals on the toilet seat, this is what your skin is directly gonna be sitting on. Anything that's gonna be a skin irritant that says like caution, don't use on your skin, you shouldn't be sitting on it, and you go to the bathroom many times a day. Clean the underside of the toilet seat, and then go ahead on the hinges again, soak in your cleaner. This is where I am going to use vinegar and baking soda. Because we do have a tushy, I am gonna clean the attachment, soak it in a little bit of vinegar. While I'm doing the toilet bowl and the toilet bowl seat, I will be using a glove and baking soda. Take your glove off and get your brush. Make sure that you get the baking soda and the vinegar all dispersed around the toilet bowl and let it do its job. It is a natural cleaner, and boy does that mixture know how to get things clean. And then give it a flush. And now we're gonna do the third part of the toilet. So we did the top part, we did the middle part, now we're gonna work our way down. You wanna go ahead and saturate both sides. A lot of people will really forget this section of the toilet. Waste can drip down the toilet bowl. And this is where you become friends with the toilet. You're gonna lean on it, you're gonna hug it. You guys are friends, you guys are working together. And you're gonna bring all of that dust and debris forward.